Hey everybody, this is Dean Jacobs coming to you from deep in the Amazon rainforest, the Otwar territory, in the community of Sierra Mensa. And I wanted to use this opportunity to challenge you as you begin your school year not to have it be an ordinary year. You know, how could you challenge yourself to begin to dream big and live tall so you could do your part to make the world better? I just don't believe we were brought here to walk through life, pay bills, and die. We're here to learn and grow and do our best to continue to shine bright and grow into the best possible version of what life could make us to be. You have to have intentions with that, though. That does not happen by accident. It happens because you are determined to make it happen. And the way that you make it happen is you set daily intentions and goals, weekly intentions and goals, monthly, yearly, and lifelong intentions and goals. And when you do those types of things, you know what happens? You have the opportunity to come to places like this, the Amazon rainforest here in South America, and continue to expand your perspective. Because when you're committed to learning and growing, you're always expanding your perspective. You're always taking advantages of the new and different opportunities to help yourself learn and grow. But it begins right at home. You know, people ask me all the time, you know, how old was I when I became a world traveler, explorer? Well, the truth is, I started exploring when I was 9 years old back in Nebraska. That's what I remember. You see, you don't grow up to be a world traveler. As I got older, my world just got bigger. But I've continued to practice what I've been doing my whole life, and that's going around, exploring, discovering new and different things, meeting new and different people, and using those experiences to become a better version of myself, to help me understand who I am and how I can also make a difference, like with these chickens back here. So I'm just, you know, this is my challenge for you who are watching this right now, the beginning of the school year. You know, if I don't have a opportunity to come be with you in person, I want to let you know I'm thinking about you, and I want to challenge you for the upcoming school year. What do you want this school year to be? Do you want it to be just another going through the motions, or do you want to have this opportunity this school year to put in motion the types of things, the types of dreams and ideas that one day will take you to places like this, the Amazon rainforest in Ecuador? Because you see, dreams are not for special people, are they? And those who've heard me say that, I've said it a million times. Dreams are not for special people, they're for everybody. Those who are willing to do the work and be responsible for what they want to create in their mind and their heart, and the vision or the dream they want to create for their future. It's possible for everybody. It's not always easy, and often it's not easy. And we don't want it to be easy way anyway, because it's what the most learning and growing, what I've discovered, is when we overcome the challenges, discover something new, new qualities and characteristics in ourselves that serve us to become a better version of ourselves, and also to use that knowledge and that wisdom to make the world better. That's what we're here to do. We're not here to go through motions. We're here to make the world better. So use this school year as intentional to become a better person, a better quality person, to grow into something magical, what life made you to be. And use that as a launch pad. That one day you'll end up in some place like this, the Amazon rainforest. If that's what you have a pull on your heartstrings to experience something new and different, to go travel the world, use your school experience here to help you launch forward. So, what's your dream? What's your goal for today? What's your dream or goal for this week, for this month, and this school year? Write them down. Keep them in a place so you can keep them in front of you, so you can be reminded of the things that matter, the things that are important. It's so easy to get distracted with things that don't really matter, especially in our culture these days, where we have technology and information coming at us 7/24. So you have to be extra diligent and extra determined to follow your dreams. And there are certain there are certain things you can do to nurture and keep those ideas in front of you, so that way you're focused on the things that really matter. One of them is going through a daily practice, a weekly practice of what our dreams and goals are for this week and for the month and for the year. keep them in front of us, and then we check in. How are we doing? How can we do better? What could we do better the next time? Are we moving forward into the things that really matter for us? So this is Dean Jacobs reminding you that dreams are not for special people, they're for everyone. Those who are willing to take the responsibility and do the hard work to have their dreams come true. But I promise you, those who take on that challenge, they live a life of wonder, a special life, a life full of adventures, like what I'm doing deep in the Amazon rainforest. If that's something that sounds attractive to you, then I challenge you to be responsible and give yourself permission to dream. All right? Have a great school year. I look forward to connecting with you whenever that may be. In the meantime, remember, we're not here to live in, let me put my stick there. In the meantime, remember, we're not here to live in little boxes. We're here to stretch and blow that box up by dreaming big and living tall so we can make the world better, making the world better. Thumbs up to all of you as you go into your school year to make the world better, as you do everything you can to grow and learn and to become the best possible version of what life made you to be at whatever grade you are. Thumbs up to all of you as you continue to grow and advance and shine bright so you can live a life of wonder. All right. Have a great school year. Thanks, guys. Look forward to being in touch. Bye.